When a person stands alone, it can be very overwhelming.
Feeling alone can make someone feel sad and isolated.
Can you imagine feeling like this and also being bullied, isolated, and rejected?
We need to take a stand.
We need to unite.
Nobody should have to feel this way.
And we must promote kindness.
Acceptance.
And inclusion.
Working together, we can make a change.
Will you join us?
Together we can do something.
Here at Ideas San Benito College Prep, we will unite.
United, we can make a difference.
United, we are strong.
Together against bullying and united for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion.